Hey, what is up guys? My name is Caden Matuk. This is the first video I'm posting on this channel. This channel is all going to be about personal finance, investing, and business skills. Because I believe that these three areas are essential to building success and building wealth. I'm going to talk a little bit about me first, and then I'm going to talk about what to expect on my channel. To give a little bit about me, I'm Canadian, but I'm living here in the United States, specifically in Idaho. I lived in the Middle East for 15 years of my life. I've grown up in the United Arab Emirates primarily, which is this flag behind me. I've lived in Dubai and Abu Dhabi for about 10 years. And then I've also lived in Saudi Arabia, I lived in Qatar, and of course Canada, and now the United States. And so all those experiences have really made me culturally aware and has given me just such great knowledge into different views from the world on investing and finance that I hope to share with you as well. I first started saving up when I was 6 years old, and around 7 or 8 I started beginning investing. I really just fell in love with it. The whole idea of compound interest, seeing your money grow, it's just so exciting to me, and I hope to share my passions with you and hope that we can all learn and grow together. Now, I don't claim to be an expert financial investor, but I do have my experiences that I have been investing for over 10 years now, and so I hope that I can share some of that knowledge, some of the experience that I've gotten so far, and that you guys can maybe inform me as well on what your opinions are and what has worked for you. I'm studying at Brigham Young University, Idaho. I'm studying business finance, so I know a lot about the business world, marketing, entrepreneurship, and especially finance. I'm also a online teaching assistant for microeconomics. So economics is kind of my strong side so far that I'm finding in school. I have also been a tutor for a class called Introduction to the Middle East. Talked a lot about history, economics, and trade. I even was an art model for a bit of time. I can tell you about that in a different video, but I just feel so passionate about finance and money and using it wisely. I'm not a huge risk taker, but I do take some risk in my investments. Yeah, because so far I have about $14,000 worth of investments built up over years. To give just like a little overview of my investing, I invest in stocks, I invest in bonds, I invest in term deposits, and I invest in real estate. Those are the 4 things I'm right now, and I'll tell you about my experiences in them in different videos, what I really think about them, will I continue to do them, things like that. I think that I share a unique perspective on a lot of my investments that I hope to share with you guys, and also with my background, strength in economics. I've been taking classes in economics, I've been studying it and teaching others for a while now. But anyways, the great thing about me is that I'm a small YouTuber. If you make any comments, I'll be super excited about it. I'll love to interact with any of you. If you just drop a comment, I'll see it right away. I'll love it, I'll comment back. Because especially if you're talking about finance or investing or anything like that. Another main focus that this channel will have is on business skills, because I believe that is also part of building success. Interpersonal skills, communication. I'll be talking about job interviews, my experiences, what's worked, what's not, what people are looking for. But anyways, guys, my name is Caden Matuk. More videos to come. I won't always be wearing a suit. I just was wearing one today. And I'll see you guys later.